Okay, in today's video we're going to be cooking pot noodles. Well, it's not really pot, instant noodles, better. The company is 3 minutes. No, I mean, me goreng stir fry spicy noodle. Spice? No, it's not spicy. Well, there is a spicy pack in there, and we're going to open it. Okay, and we grab a pan. Then get some water. Better if it's already hot. Oops. I put it in here so it can warm up while I'm cooking. And yeah, so then you start with a bit of water. Okay, get up. So about this much water. Okay, and with that we start by turning it on. Putting it to 9, let it breathe a second. By breathe, I mean like heat up. Now the base of the thing that you want the most is, this is chili. So you need to add this either way. But then chili, you can add it if you want. It tastes very good without, and I'm not a fan of spicy, so. Then this is soy sauce, you have to add it. Soy sauce, you have to add it, and this is fried onion. And you don't have to add it, I add it, it's nice. This one, again, spicy, you don't have to add it. And, well, yeah. And now, since it's time to get hot, we wait. Now this is what you want. You want it heated up with only a bit of water. Then you add this. Splat. And then you just wait a second, take one of these thingies, whatever they're called, and go. Boop. And now you have to cut the things open. This, starting with this one. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. You add a bit on here, you put in the water. You flip it without going out of the pan, and you add a bit on the other side, and yeah. Now, I'm not going to be adding the chili one, but you can if you want. Yummy. Now, mix, add a bit. Yeah, no, help. Get this one here. Then now we have to add quickly the soy sauce and fried onion, because that is getting heated. Then we add the soy sauce first. It's like this sweet soy sauce. I wouldn't recommend eating it raw. It tastes weird. But yeah. Then you add a bit of this side, a bit in the water. Flip it like always. At this point there's nothing to flip. But you add it here. Ow! Hot. The fire's hot. Okay, here. Yeah, just paint it. Don't do what I'm doing. Paint it. Do this. Yeah, should be good. Yep. Wait. Okay. Panic mode. Help! Someone help! Put it in here. Ooh, this way. Add some water. Add a bit of water so it cools down. Still panic mode. Now we wait. Now, after you've left it about 30 seconds under that thing, you good. bit. And then when you see it's like no water, add a bit of water. Tiny bit. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. Add a bit more. So it doesn't burn too crisp. Always keep it on 9 or boiling temperature. In other words.
Does the dance help?
Yeah, it does. Now you can see it's nearly ready because it feels so soft. Some people try it, but I don't try it. I just don't. I look and use my eyes, that's what they're for, and see if they're done. Now if you feel it's hard, then you should keep it a bit more. Okay, and that should be the last drop I need. Well, not the last shit. Okay. Let it cook. Let it cook.
Let it cook, let it cook.
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
Let it cook.
Let him cook. Okay, I can feel it's nearly done, so. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Do a beep, 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 boom, boom. Grab a plate. Very liquidy. By the way, I'm doing a way that in the end there will be no liquid. But you could do the soup way. Basically, you end up with a whole soup, kind of, and you have to keep adding water and don't let it boil. So yeah, that's one way. So yeah, but that's not the way I'm doing it. So yeah, I just want no water. Okay, now it should be done. It should be a bit liquid, like there should be no water, as you can see, but like that, like anyway. Put it in, pour it on in.
Who's cleaning the kitchen?
You are. Okay.
Is that part of the ritual?
Yeah.
Is that important?
Yes, very. Okay, scrape off the rest. And then just leave it in the pan. Cool it down. And you're ready to enjoy. Fork, level 5 required. Chopsticks, level 3 required. Straw, level 1 required. What level am I? I'm level 1. Taste test. I just get hot air. Okay, yeah. I'm now level 3. Okay, come on. Hot, but looks tasty. Ten out of 10. I would eat it every day.
You do eat it every day.
I know. out. Bye.